Hey developers! Welcome back to WinForms Hacks, Windows API Tricks. Today we're going to make your app detect Windows dark mode in real time, and instantly switch your UI between light and dark themes, just like native Windows apps. No timers, no polling, just pure Windows API power. Let's jump right in. First we create a super handy little helper class called DarkModeHelper. If you've ever wished your WinForms app could automatically switch between light and dark mode like magic, this is your secret weapon. We start with coding and after that we break it down for you. First up, we have dark mode detection. Our helper peeks into the Windows registry. Don't worry, it's safe. If it's 0, your user is rocking the dark mode. If it's 1, well, light it is. This means your app can instantly know the system theme without asking the user a single question. Next, we have the theme listener. This is where the magic happens in real time. The class hooks into system events. User preference change, so every time Windows switches themes, your app gets notified immediately. Imagine your app flipping between light and dark the second your user does. It's like having a superpower. Finally, we have the apply theme method. This is where we actually dress up the form and its controls. In dark mode, the form goes deep, dark gray, and all text pops in crisp white. Switch to light mode, and it goes back to classic Windows control colors. And yes, it loops through every control on the form, so buttons, labels, panels, you name it, match perfectly. No awkward color mismatches here. A fun tip, you can call Register Theme Listener right in your form's load event, and bam! Your app is fully theme aware, dynamic, and looks modern. It's like giving your old WinForms project a fresh, 2025 makeover without rewriting your whole UI. So, whether you're Team Dark Mode or Team Light Mode, DarkModeHelper has got you covered. It's small, it's clever, and it makes your app feel alive with Windows itself. And that's it. The app now automatically switches between dark and light modes the moment you change the Windows theme, no restart needed. Under the hood, we read the registry key. Apps, use, light, theme. And use system events. User preference change to detect the switch live. Then, with just a few color changes, we make your WinForms app feel like it's part of Windows 11 itself. If you enjoyed this Windows API trick, hit the like button and subscribe for the next one.